What's up guys, my name is Ellis Jagger. I work in the marketing department at Newton Trailers. I've been tasked with making how-to videos on doing general jobs around the office. Today I'm going to talk you through how to film and upload a 360 to our website. So let's get straight into it.
So obviously I'll advise wearing gloves when doing this. It just makes sure that you don't cut your hands on any old material, as well as just making sure you're not getting dirty. So the first step in filming a 360 is we need to prepare the trailer. We need to undo the back doors and make sure that the headboard is up against the front of the trailer. As you can see with this trailer, the headboard isn't, it's halfway down the trailer, meaning it's blocking the view of our customer. This needs to be pushed back so that the customer can get a great idea of what it is they're buying, as well as the condition of the inside of our trailers. In order to push the headboard back, just put on your gloves. Use the ladder on the side of the trailer. Some of them are built in, this one wasn't. You're going to climb up into the back of the trailer. You're going to take down the sheet pole and then push the headboard until it meets the front of the trailer. Whilst doing this, I did find one of the notebooks. Now these are normally taken up to the sales department or left on the trailer, inside the trailer toolbox if it has one. Unfortunately this trailer didn't have a toolbox, and so I wasn't able to show you. You need to put down the tarp. This ensures the headboard won't move forward when filming the video and won't move forward in transport. Right, now that you've done moving all the stuff around from the inside of the trailer, just put the ladder away on the side. Make sure that it's done properly and locked in place. Now go ahead and grab the gimbal, stand at the front of the trailer like I am here, and you want the gimbal to line up with the middle of the trailer, just like I have here. The white X should be across the center of the trailer. You're going to start the video looking at the floor. You're going to hit record, and then you're going to slowly move up towards the trailer. This allows us enough time for the intro. At this point you can start walking around the trailer like I am here, making sure that you stick to the white circle going around the trailer. You should be ensuring that all corners of the trailer is visible within the video, and avoid cutting out any parts of the trailer. Once you get to this point of the trailer, you're going to stop, take 5 paces forward like I am here, hold the gimbal up to the center of the trailer, and this is what it should look like, and you're going to hold it here for 5 seconds. You're then going to take 5 paces back and continue with your walk. Like I am here. Once again, ensure that all the corners of the trailer are kept within the video, as this makes for a better 360. Don't panic if you do get corners missing. We can always edit those bits out of the 360 later on. Now that the video has been made, we can close up the trailer, and this just ensures nothing happens during transport, no one gets injured, no one's hurt. I did, however, notice that the hydraulic lock was down at this point, so I thought I'd put that up. Just as an extra safety. Now the video is made, let's head upstairs and jump on a computer. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head to the OS file, into the one file folder, and you're going to clear the images that are currently in this folder. And then you're going to open the untitled export folder, and you're going to do the same here, delete everything. Now that that's done, we're going to locate the folder that has our video in it. In this case, mine's still on the USB stick. and we're going to allow VLC Media Player to play the video. VLC Media Player is set up to have some certain settings. I'll leave a link in the description to show us how to do this in another video. VLC Media Player will automatically take screenshots and therefore will provide us the photos we need to make the 360. Although you can't see the screenshots being taken, they are being taken and they are being transferred straight to the folder named 1. Now that that's done, you can go ahead and close VLC Media Player and head back over to the file named 1. At this point, you're going to clear any photos you don't want to be used in the 360. So obviously these floor photos are going to be removed. As well as any photos that show the trailer corners being cut out. Like that one there. Don't panic, this doesn't affect the 360 that much. It just gives us a cleaner, smoother experience. Now you're going to transfer all of these photos into the untitled export folder, like you see me doing, and then you're going to open up Spot Editor. To start off making a 360, you want to come up to the top left where the blue, green and red is. You're going to click open, you're going to leave it titled new project, and then on the first bar you're going to navigate and select untitled export, so go to the OSC drive 1 and then untitled export, and you're also going to do this on the second bar as well. Now just hit create. Yes, and let it do its thing. Here you have a not yet completed 360. The first thing you're going to do is just check that the photos are correct by spinning it around. Then you're going to go to the top, click the button and remove the 2 white borders. Once again, just give it another spin and make sure everything's okay. You're now going to come up to the top right where it says rotate period, and you're going to slide the slider across until it says 20. You're going to come down and select rotate automatically. You're going to ensure that it's going clockwise, and you're also going to select flip horizontal input. Make sure the 360 looks okay. Look for any major errors. If there aren't any, you can also do this by clicking play. The main thing I noticed here was that it was going in an anti-clockwise direction, even though I asked it to be in clockwise, so I simply refreshed it and clicked play, and it's perfect again. Now that the 360 is okay and ready to go, we need to publish it. So we're going to come over to the left side of the screen, click the blue and grey button, come down, select JPEG, lower the quality to 90, deselect the 2 boxes and click publish. Now that it's been published, we need to transfer it into a zip file. So go ahead down to the OS drive, open up 1, untitled export, new project, published, 360 assets, new project 1. Select it, right click and then click compress to zip file, And there you have it, we now have the zip file we need. At this point, it's now ready to be uploaded to the website, so we're going to go onto the Newton Trailers website, find which trailer it is we're doing. In this case, it's 168161. And there we have it, a white Carnarpon. Open up the trailer, duplicate the pages, come down to diagram 360s, click create. We then need to come up with a name. So to do this, we're going to come over, take the SN number, paste this into the name, and then we're also going to take the trailer name, copy and paste that in as well. You're then going to select vehicle trailer, and then you're going to select today's date. Chassis manufacturer is obviously Carnarpon for this one, but obviously different trailers have different manufacturers. You can scroll to the bottom and click add. Once that's loaded, come up to the top right and click edit. You're going to drag the zip file from File Explorer into the web page, scroll down to the bottom and click update. Eventually, when that's updated, you're going to check that the 360 is okay, which it should be. And then you're going to come across to diagram/360. Click create. You're going to take the SN number and put this in vehicle/trailer. Click the arrow and then click add. Now to check the trailer, come over and click the SN number, and there you have it, the 360 has been uploaded to the trailer on our web page. To see how customers would see it, click customer link, and there you go. Ready for customers to explore.
So there you have it. You've now filmed, created and uploaded a Diagram 360 onto Newton Trailers website. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.